Decomposed bodies found in St. Catherine. Hi again and welcome. This is Dec0mpo TV News Report, and we'll be right back with the full details to come.
Welcome to Dec0mpo TV News Report, providing you with the best in local and international news updates. This is a place where you can get the most reliable and informative news information. Dec0mpo TV News Report.
Welcome back and thanks for joining us. This is Dec0mpo TV News Report. A team of police officers is now in a section of Spanish Town, St. Catherine, where the decomposing body of two men were discovered. Reports are that around 10 a.m. on Thursday morning, residents found the remains close to Job Lane in a section of the old capital and raised an alarm. A team of detectives is now on location carrying out an investigation. The police have not yet so far ascertained the identities of the individual, nor so far ascertained a cause of death. Dec0mpo TV will have more details to come on this in a later newscast. Thanks for watching.